How to set up shipping rates in WooCommerce. Setting up shipping rates in WooCommerce involves several steps. Here's a basic guide for you. First, access WooCommerce settings. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to WooCommerce, then Settings. Go to Shipping tab. Click on the Shipping tab at the top of the page. Right after that, ensure that the Enable Shipping checkbox is checked. Then, click on the Shipping Zones tab. Here, you can create different shipping zones based on geographical regions. Next step is Add Shipping Methods. Within each shipping zone, click on Add Shipping Method to choose the type of shipping method you want to set up. It can be either flat rate, free shipping, local pickup, and more. Configure shipping methods. After selecting shipping method, configure its settings according to your preferences. For example, if you choose flat rate, you'll need to specify the cost per order, per item, or based on weight or dimensions. Once you've configured the shipping method, click Save Changes to apply the settings. It is essential to test your setup to ensure that shipping rates are being calculated correctly. You can do this by placing test orders using different shipping addresses to verify that the rates are being applied as expected. By following these steps, you should be able to set up shipping rates in WooCommerce to meet your specific requirements. And that is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching.